Hello, boys and girls. I'm here to say your weekly words that you have to spell for this week. Um, by the time that you watch this video, we'll only have a few more days of school left. So hang in there, keep doing your work. I am super, super, super proud of you in all that you have done and have accomplished so far this year, both in school and during our remote learning. All right, here are our 10 words for this week. Number one, remember to take your time, sound the words out, and pause after each word so you can have time to spell the word. Okay? These should be easy peasy. Number one, humpback. Two, bedtime. Three, pancakes. Four, weekend. Five, fingernail. Six, sleepover. Seven, doghouse. Eight, firefly. Nine, nightlight. And 10, earthquake. All right, those are your 10 spelling words for the week. Good luck, and I know you did your best. Miss you all. Bye.